Welcome to another tutorial. We've seen how to trade with one leg and two legs strategy. Now, get ready for one of the smartest and most covered strategies in Westernpips Private 7, the OneLegHidden algorithm. Unlike classic strategies, OneLegHidden doesn't just prioritize speed, it specializes in stealth. It's designed to operate across two separate accounts, keeping your trading intentions completely hidden from brokers and their filter. Let's analyze it. The magic of OneLegHidden begins with its entry mechanism. Instead of opening a single position when it detects a gap between a fast and a slow provider, the algorithm opens two offsetting positions simultaneously on separate accounts. For example, if the algorithm detects a gap opportunity, it will open a buy on account A and a sell on account B. This creates an instant hedge, completely neutralizing market risks at the moment of entry. The algorithm doesn't stop there. Once the hedge is in place, it monitors the market in real time. When the arbitrage signal is confirmed, the algorithm closes one of the positions, leaving the other open to capture the profit. This approach, in addition to being incredibly secure, is what makes it hidden. Brokers only see a buy or sell trade on a single account, without knowing that an opposite trade was made on another account to cover the position. It's an excellent way to bypass anti-arbitrage filter. Just like the other strategies, OneLegHidden offers full control over entry filters and exit logic, including close gap and trailing stop, to ensure you maximize your profits. To conclude, the OneLegHidden algorithm is a professional solution for traders who need more than just speed. It's for those who value discretion and the ability to trade without being detected. It's the perfect combination of a secure hedge and intelligent execution. With the two-leg standard, the one-leg multi, and the OneLegHidden, you now have a comprehensive view of some of the most advanced strategies in Westernpips Private 7. I hope this strategy has been helpful. Do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials in the future.